What's up YouTubers, Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the rear wiper blade on your Toyota Highlander. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to this one. Okay, so when we go to pull our wiper blade away from the window to change the blade, we can't really pull it, it's stuck. To do that, we first need to remove this cover. So if you just put your fingers here and we're going to pull out like this and then towards us, the whole thing is going to remove. Now we're able to pull the wiper blade all the way out and we can gain access to it. Now to remove the old blade, we're simply going to grab it on the end and we're going to push this end that way. It may feel like you're going to break it, but you're not. And it's going to unsnap like that, and then we're simply going to just pull it forward. Now we're going to take our new wiper blade, and I like these blade style ones. These ones seem to work the best and last the longest. I'll make sure I put a link down in the description to some of these for you guys. Now if the new blade comes with different attachments, you're going to want to use the one with this little angle like that. See if you match it up to the old one, see the matching angle? The attachments just snap on. Now with the wiper blade oriented like this with that angle, we're going to put the circular part right into the circular part of the groove. And it's just going to snap in. You can test it to make sure it's locked in there like that, and then we'll go ahead and lower it back down. Then we're going to take the plastic cover, and this little plastic piece fits right in here in the little groove. We're just going to push it inward and it just snaps back on. Alright guys, and that is how to change the rear wiper blade on your Toyota Highlander. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and click the bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself guys. Take care.